the kick in the pants that let me know, okay, it's time to get this company started. I was unemployed. The pandemic was at its peak. I don't know what I'm supposed to do, but if I can figure out what my next steps are supposed to be, I'm just going to make it happen. And that evening, I had the most lucid dream I've ever had in my life, and it was about starting this company. So when I woke up the next day, I got my LLC, I got my social media handles, and based on the research I had already done, I paid for the very next class that Moonshine University was having, which was that 3-day botanical course. So while I was there, I wasn't really familiar with gin. I had only had absinthe once, didn't know if I liked it or not, and I didn't know what an Amaro was. But sitting there with Clay and going over each ingredient and how it impacts the flavor and finish of a spirit, and how to experiment and what the category is like for other producers, that let me know that if I'm getting all of this in 3 days on this small subcategory, I definitely need to sign up for the 6-day class, because that covers way more spirits. To be an organization that has supported over 300 students, almost 200 distilleries, that's huge. Who else can say that?